Are you talking? Are you talking, boo-boo? Are you talking? Are you talking? Yeah. Yeah. You talker. Huh? Huh? Huh, boo-boo? Yeah. 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 You're such a talker. Can you tell everyone that you're 2 months old? Yeah, 2 months old. Cousin Damien is 3 months old. Yeah. Yeah. I love you. Do you love Mama? Do you love Mama? Do you love Daddy? Huh? Do you love Suka, your sister? No. That's Suka. That's your sister. Yeah? You say hi? Boo. Boo. Smiley, happy boy. Yeah. He said, I got dimples like mommy. I got my mommy's dimples. Yeah, mommy's dimples. Yeah. Are you excited about moving to Oregon next week? Yeah. Gonna meet family? Are you trying to tell me something and it just can't come out? Look at him kicking his feet. Say it's nighttime. It's like 3:30 in the morning. Wait, what up? Yeah, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Say bye-bye.